Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer a Google Doc from one account to another by changing ownership. This is really useful if you're switching accounts, working on a team, or just want to move files easily. Open Google Docs and choose the document you want to transfer. Click the Share button in the top right corner. In the sharing window, type the email address of the Google account you want to transfer the document to, then click Send. Next, open Share again and click the drop-down arrow beside the new person's name. Select Transfer Ownership, then click Send Invitation. Keep in mind the transfer will only take effect once the recipient accepts it. Finally, click Done, and your document is now successfully transferred to another account. And that's how easy it is to move your Google Docs between accounts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Google Workspace tips. Thanks for watching.